Well, hello and welcome to this short exercise on it's a revision exercise on tangents and curves, and again it's based on an iGCSE or AS level mathematics question here, and this is the sixth on this topic, and it says find the values of k for which the line um, y is equal to k minus 6x is the tangent to the curve y is equal to x into 2x plus k there. Now, because these two lines meet at a point, that means that the y values will be the same. So we then equate 2x plus x into 2x plus k is equal to k to minus 6x, because these are the y values. If we then open up the brackets, we have 2x squared plus kx equal to k minus 6x. If we then subtract k from both sides and add 6x to both sides, we end up with 2x squared plus kx minus k plus 6x equal to 0. If we then collect like terms, we have 2x squared plus x into k plus 6 minus k is equal to 0. Now, if, as we are told, that this line y is equal to k minus 6x is a tangent to this curve y is equal to x into 2x plus k, it then means that the normal test for b squared minus 4ac will be satisfied. In which case we then say b squared minus 4ac, sorry, b squared is equal to 4ac. In this case, rb is k plus 6, and the square to get k plus 6 all squared. Ra is to the coefficient of x squared, minus k is the constant term c. So here we then have b squared is equal to 4ac there. We then expand the brackets, we end up with k squared plus 12k plus 36 is equal to minus 8k. If we then add 8k to both sides, we end up with k squared plus 20k plus 36 is equal to 0. Now I want two numbers such that if I add, I get 20, and if I multiply, I get 36. And the numbers that come into mind are 2 and 18. So we then have k squared plus 2k plus 18k plus 36. So we now got two groups there. Now we can group these groups now. Do some grouping now. That one, so we've got two groups there. And then factorize each of these groups, we end up with this ones here after factorization. Now both groups have got k plus 2 in common. So our final factorization is going to be k plus 2 into k plus 18 is equal to 0. Either k plus 2 is 0 or k plus 18 is equal to 0, which case k is either minus 2 or minus 18. Now, sometimes in the exam, they ask you to find the coordinates where the tangent meets the curve. But they've not done so in this case. What I've done is to draw the graph. Right, this one here is when k is equal to minus 2 there. And the graphs meet at the point minus 1, 4. That's for when k is minus 2. But when k is minus 18, it's a bit more difficult because it might need a quadratic formula to help you find the points at which the tangent meets the curve. Anyway, it's a point worth knowing anyway, but you'll not be asked to do that in this test. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and hopefully see you again sometime.